Yeah, hello, amazing customers. Today we are loading a natural stone cladding to a customer in Berekum, and we just start the process as you can see in the camera right now. You see, so cause of how Berekum is far, Bono Region is far. We are going to measure the stone with this truck and place it on the cargo, and the cargo will go to Berekum. You see. A cargo can take up to 7 kia, 6 kia, 4 kia, 5 kia, 3 kia, depending of the measurement of your building. So the name is Stepping Stone Design. Whatever they give us a call, our service is available across the country, as you can see. You see. So this is how we load the stones. You make sure that everything full up. You see. Look at my face also. Look at my face also. You understand me? So right now, I will go so that. Sure. Okay. You see. See, so we are going to put this one for this one inside. You understand me? Yeah, so this is how the thing go. We load down with the K90, we place it on the big one, and the big one come to Berekum to your location. You understand me? The name is Stepping Stone Design. Anything that concerns natural stone concerns Stepping Stone Design. Whatever I did, Bobo Robo, give us a call. Yeah, hello amazing customers. We are on the loading process, as you can see. You see, so far so good. We have put a 2 Kia on the runner, so this be the third one, as you can see. You see, so watch this video from now to the end and understand how things work. You understand me? I always say that it is possible to deliver these stones across the country. So whatever it is, you just give us a call. Yes, yeah, man. Yeah, hello, music customers. We are doing a delivery of a natural stone cladding to a customer in Berekum. You see, so watch this video from now to the end to understand how easily we can supply a natural stone from Accra to Berekum, Sunyani, whatever it is. Give us a call. You see. Yes, sir. Yeah. I can. Yeah, nah. You see, so we have to carry on with the care mountain and put her for inside. So this white one right here be tricky at all. You understand me? So whatever I did, just give us a call. We do a delivery across the country. So this is a green brown color. This be white one. So we are going to mix both together, take do the job for the customer. As you can see, bye. Yeah, hello, amazing customers. You see, we are completely loading the stones inside the rano. As you can see, you see, this rano have a rotor for the back. You understand me? So whatever I did, it is possible to deliver a natural stone to your location. As you can see, you see. So whatever I did, give us a call. The name is Steven Stone Design. Yeah, hello, amazing customers. We have done placing the stones inside the rano. As you can see, you see, whatever they give us a call, we supply every types of natural stones across the country. As you can see, you see. Wow. So as for the stones, this be the white one. You see, and this be the brown one. As you can see, you see. So it is possible to deliver a highest quantity of stones to your location. So just give us a call wherever it is, and we deliver this stone to your location. To your location. So whatever it is, just give us a call. You see. I don't she share be my pepe. You don't answer me. So whatever locate yourself, give us a call. Bye bye.